We are so excited to have you guys here. I'm your host today, Amy Freena. Now, I bet you're curious about what Sony's ventures into automotive might mean for the future of mobility. Well, let's find out. Sony wants to reimagine mobility as we know it. We are working to thoroughly understand the mechanism of cars. We want to understand how they function and what challenges that they present. But because we are a creative company with a strong foundation in technology, we also want to understand their relevance and significance in society. As all other facets of life have been transformed by technological innovation, guys, how about the car? Towards this goal, ladies and gentlemen, Sony has developed the Vision S. The Vision S prototype represents a fusion of Sony's technology and creativity. It is a glimpse into a future of mobility that encompasses the advancement of safety, comfort, entertainment, and adaptability. So let's see what the Vision S has to offer, shall we? First and foremost, when riding in this car, one feels extremely secure. It is a capsule of comfort and innovation, and just sitting in it creates excitement. This is a car that will help evolve mobility from simply getting from point A to point B to mobility as an enriching experience that is at once enjoyable and safe, entertaining, and efficient. It has always been the Sony vision to enhance and enrich life experiences, and our approach to mobility is no exception. What do you say we take a look at the safety features of this vehicle? We wanted to incorporate Sony sensing technologies that would become intelligent and intuitive eyes on the road. Now, in the Vision S, there are a total of 33 automotive-grade sensors, including Sony CMOS sensors, installed both inside and outside of the car, while keeping a watchful eye 360 degrees around the body of the vehicle. Safety is also thoroughly monitored when the car is in motion. Now, the cocoon-like layout is informed by an oval design theme. While monitoring all aspects on the road and as well as the environment outside of the car, the technology will also pay careful attention to the passengers that are within. And of course, this is in addition to the expected features like driving and parking assistance. Sony sensing technology brings peace of mind to those riding in the car and uses advanced technologies to see, sense, and anticipate the passenger's needs for safety and comfort and security. Now, you know this wouldn't be a Sony vehicle without considering how the entertainment experience within the vehicle could be enhanced. One of our new offerings for in-car entertainment is 360 reality audio. Now, this advanced system enables you to enjoy an immersive, encapsulated audio experience. It recreates vivid realism that makes listeners feel like the artist is literally performing right in front of them. Each musical element, whether vocal or instrumental, can be placed in a spherical sound field, and as a result, during playback, sound comes from 360 degrees around the listener to recreate performances with an invigorating and multi-dimensional sound quality that is at once striking and intimate. To further enhance the entertainment potential of the vehicle, we have also considered screen technology. Upon entering the car, the drivers and the passengers will see before them a row of displays that creates a wide screen with camera-based side view mirrors. Those are pretty cool, huh? Going from place to place will finally become reclaimed personal time when people can actually indulge in the luxury of enjoying movies and other content. Maybe they watch a TED Talk, catch up on news of the day, or even watch their favorite show. The possibilities, guys, are basically endless. Plus, the ergonomic user interface is extremely intuitive, with each driver and passenger able to freely access the content that they prefer. Another concept that informed the development of this prototype is adaptability, based on the software-oriented design. The vehicle seamlessly integrates with the cloud through always-on connectivity, and as a result, the overall hardware of the car will continue to develop and upgrade over time. It will evolve from a conventional group of independent systems that have predetermined functions to an advanced, integrated, and linked system that has the potential to continuously improve. Now, it is also noteworthy that this Vision S prototype is built on a newly designed EV platform that will allow for future adaptation and design for other vehicle types like SUVs, meeting the needs of a variety of users and vehicle requirements from purely functional to aesthetic in nature. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We will continue to provide news and updates on the Vision S initiative as we pursue improvements to the way that we move around and put our Sony expertise to work on safety, entertainment, and adaptability. For more information, see the screens right at the bottom of the stage. Thank you again and enjoy CES Day 3.